How to remove someone on Light 360 Circle. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Light 360 application, make sure that you're logged in. Then all you have to do is go onto the circle. Now for that, you need to tap on this icon at the very top of the screen. So as I can see, the circle is friends and I want to remove a member from this circle. So all I have to do is tap on the gear icon beside that on the top left corner. Then tap on circle management, which is the second option. Then scroll down to find the option of delete circle members. So just tap on it. So here you can see the member. Now if I have to delete or remove this person on Light 360 Circle, tap on the icon and then tap on delete. So it gives a little pop-up that if you really want to remove the person, and it gives this idea or this knockout as well that this member will be removed from for your entire cycle or circle. So just tap on yes and you're done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.